Welcome everyone and welcome back to deep comparison between Tradestation and Multicharts. This is an in-depth comparison between the Tradestation and Multicharts, two powerful platforms designed for traders and investors. In this guide, we'll explore the features, functionalities, and unique aspects of each platform to help you make an informed decision about which one suits your trading needs. First things first, we're going to talk about the overview and target audience. Tradestation is well known for its robust trading tools and advanced features, making it ideal for active traders and professionals seeking sophisticated analytics and execution capabilities. On the other hand, Multicharts has a user-friendly interface and extensive charting capabilities, making it suitable for traders of all levels, including beginners. Charting and technical analysis. Both Tradestation and Multicharts excel in providing powerful charting and technical analysis tools, allowing traders to analyze market trends and make informed decisions. Tradestation offers an advanced charting capabilities with customizable indicators, drawing tools, and a wide range of technical analysis features. Multicharts, on the other hand, boasts a user-friendly interface with an extensive library of built-in studies and easy-to-use charting tools, making it accessible for all traders. Automated trading and strategy development. Automated trading and strategy development are essential components of modern trading platforms. Let's see how Tradestation and Multicharts compare in this aspect. Tradestation offers sophisticated tools for automated trading, including advanced backtesting and strategy optimization capabilities, making it a favorite among algorithmic traders. Multicharts provides an intuitive strategy with support for multiple programming languages, allowing traders to create and test their trading strategies with ease. Market access and data feeds. Access to markets and real-time data feeds is crucial for traders to stay informed and execute trades effectively. Let's explore how Tradestation and Multicharts stack up in this regard. Tradestation offers extensive market access with direct market access DMA and access to premium data packages, ensuring traders have access to real-time market data from various exchanges. Multicharts is compatible with multiple brokers and data providers, allowing traders to choose the best option that suits for their trading preferences. Finally, let's consider customer support and community engagement, which are vital for traders seeking assistance and networking opportunities. Tradestation provides comprehensive customer support options, including live chat, phone support, and a knowledge base ensuring traders receive timely assistance when needed. Multicharts boasts an active user community and online forums where traders can share ideas, strategies, and seek help from fellow traders. As we wrap up our comparison, it's clear that both Tradestation and Multicharts offer powerful looks and features for traders of all levels. Your choice ultimately depends on your trading style, preferences, and specific needs. Whether you're an active trader seeking advanced analytics or a beginner looking for user-friendly charting tools, both platforms have something to offer. We hope this comparison has helped you gain insights on the strengths and unique features of Tradestation and Multicharts. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe and leave a comment down below for other future videos you want us to make. Thank you.